Look, super simple ingredients. Is she gonna be there when I turn around? Nope. Demoted. Second best kitchen helper ever is in here, chilling in the AC. Third best kitchen helper ever is also in here, chilling in the AC. And we are gonna make some dinner. And honestly, I can't blame her for not wanting to be in here because I already had this on today and it's hot. It's hot outside and now it's hot in here. But I gotta make dinner. I got some salmon on sale, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Welcome back to Snow Dog's Cooking, where if I can cook it, so can you. And believe it or not, I've done 3 of these videos today. Haven't even changed my shirt, which means I haven't spilled anything on it. That's a win. So anyway, I have to make dinner. And I thought, you know what? This is super simple and easy, but sometimes you guys need a super simple, easy recipe, right? So let me show you how to make some really ridiculously easy lemon pepper salmon. And if you don't like salmon and there's some other type of fish that you like, try it with a different type of fish. That's totally fine. The first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven. Look, see, it's still hot. Well, wait, I guess I gotta do that first. To 375. How hot is it? Oh, it's at 245. Okay, yeah, still hot. And then we're gonna get all this ready. I need a baking sheet and some aluminum foil. We're gonna move everything out of the way. I should also probably tell you what you're gonna need for this. You're gonna need about 1 pound of salmon. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna need some lemon pepper seasoning of your choice and some lemons. Literally all you need. I mean, and the pan and the aluminum foil and an oven to cook it in, or a grill or whatever. You know what I'm saying. Okay, maybe some butter flavored cooking spray as well. You can actually take some of this butter that we're gonna melt and put that on the bottom here, but I'm just gonna spray it because it's easier. So I'm gonna spray my aluminum foil. We're gonna take 1 lemon, we're gonna cut it up, and we're kind of gonna set it on the bottom of this pan here. The salmon is gonna go on top of this. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter has been melted. You're gonna need 1 to 2 tablespoons of your lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna take this beautiful butter and we're gonna brush it. So take a brush and just brush the butter you want to coat this really, really well all over the salmon. Just like that. Now we're gonna take our lemon pepper seasoning and start coating the salmon. You want a good coating all over it. If you shake it nice and slow, you can kind of guide where it's going. Get some good seasoning on there. By the way, there's 1.5 tablespoons in mine. If you want it to look like that, you're in here. There's nothing in this recipe you can have, but I will get you some cheese out of the fridge if you wait 1 moment. Yeah, if you wait a moment, I will get you some cheese out of the refrigerator. So now we're gonna take this aluminum foil, fold it, fold the middle, and kind of make a little tent like that. This isn't pushed down, so there's like a little tent, so there's some air underneath there. This is how easy this is. This goes into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. That's how easy it is. See? If you stay in here, you get the good stuffs. Your bowl's not on the floor. Oh, yes, it is. Hold on, let me put it in your bowl. I know, I'm gonna pay the cheese tax, even though there was no cheese in here. Put some in there. There you go. What do you think? Cheese tax. A little more? I gotta save some for Kira, though, even though she's not gonna come in here. Hello, Kira. Should I get cheese? Here. You can use my hand as a plate. How's that? I really gotta wash my hands good. Good stuff? Cheese tax paid on a recipe without cheese, but there wasn't really anything else in there you could have, so you can have some cheese. Woohoo! Just took it out of the oven. Check it. Oops, I hit the lock button. Unlock. We're good. So now I'm actually gonna open this up. I'm gonna turn my broiler on and broil it for about 2 minutes on low. Kind of give it a little crispy look on the top. And that is perfection. Oh, this looks so good. Jamie doesn't even know I'm making this. And that is perfection. Let's give it a try. Woo, look at this. So this is actually 2 different videos I did. I did this lemony pasta salad and I did this lemon pepper salmon. So I need you to react to both, please, sir.
Okay.
And if you guys want to see the reactions for the opposite, you have to go watch the other video.
There you go.
You're going for the fish first, aren't you?
Going for the fish first.
It looked so good. So good. Hi, Kira. Welcome to the kitchen or the dining room. It shouldn't be too hot. There is skin on the bottom of it, just so you know.
It smells good.
It smells amazing. Yeah.
Very soft.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Nice flaky.
Yep.
Yeah. That's a win.
I like fish.
I know. I love salmon. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, wait, it's not focused. There you go. Now it's beautiful. Win? Good. That salmon, that was so good. The lemon pepper seasoning, that Kinder's, I think is what it's called, that's really, really good lemon pepper seasoning. Highly, highly, highly recommend that. You can also make that on the grill. Like, you could put it on your grill in the foil and do the same thing, or on a fire, a low fire. You could do that as well, but I just made it in the oven because it was easy, even though it's ridiculously hot out. But that's okay. It was good. Made dinner. That was good. There's a cake over here, too. That's the lemon blueberry cake that is also going up on this channel. Either has already gone up or is going up eventually. So watch for that. Let us know down in the comments below what you guys want to see us make next. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.